Hey, what's up? It's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2007 GSXR600. This is Suzuki's mid-size sport bike. 600cc, inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike is a salvage title due to cosmetic damage. The bodywork has been replaced for the most part, but there are a few scratches and scrapes on the right hand side. The lever and the bar end, right mid fairing. Tail section got damaged. The swing arm and the exhaust is the reason the insurance company salvaged this bike, but it is mechanically straight and sound and in good condition. This bike has 15,500 miles on the odometer. The engine is all stock and runs good. It has aftermarket CRG adjustable levers, red aftermarket puked windscreen, woodcraft frame sliders, Bridgestone tires front and rear are like new. This bike has been lowered 1.5 inches professionally. Rear lowering link in the back. The front forks have been raised to lower the front of the bike, and a modified kickstand to adjust for the stance. This 2007 GSXR600 is offered at $39.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.